So I left this here setting for quite a few days so the glue would go. The glue would set. So I'm going to take it apart now. Ah, shoot, some of the glue got on the table. That's what you have a razor for. So what I was trying to do is use paper towel so I wouldn't get any glue on the table, but oh well. So after I've glued these together, they're pretty thick, and you can tell here there's quite a bit of extra glue on the sides and stuff like that. I'll take that down with the joiner that I just got. I have to pass this through, it's a little thick. So when I pass it through, the thickness planer, it gets to about this thick. So this is one that's ready compared to the one that's not. You can see the difference here. So that's it for this part, and I'll record some more video of when I do the squaring up of these pieces. These are actually much longer, wider, excuse me. These are actually 7 1/4. The original pieces are like 4 1/2 or 4 1/4. I'm going to leave them long. I want to do that so I have a more working surface. So for now, I'll get back to you guys after Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving, I'm recording this. Alright, talk to you guys later.